Good morning. We're making hummus today. Hummus. Garbanzo bean and tahini dip, I guess it would be called. Super easy. And I actually think mine is one of the better recipes because I've added a few extra things like onion and pepper, bell pepper. So first thing you want to do is, and I use canned beans. You certainly may use fresh if you would like, and do the long cooking method. The can, I go through any discolored beans. I drain, I rinse. Very, very important. You don't want all the liquid in your tahini. And then if you see any loose membranes, or you can pop all of them out because it does tend to make, they tend to be tough. And so they tend to make not so smooth hummus. Now, I didn't used to add oil because I was trying not to add any additional oil. Well, I don't do that anymore. So we're adding olive oil as well. Now, for those of you that are new, I don't expect you to write down the amounts as you go. I try to make this as easy for everybody. So I always post the instructions, amounts, recipes, whatever in the description. So you can copy and paste it. You can print it or save it to your computer. However you save, whatever you do with recipes. And I'll show you my system at some point. So we're putting the beans in the food processor. We're adding 1 ounce of onion, you can throw it in a chunk, 1 ounce of sweet bell pepper, and as I've explained before, I use I use organic. Bell peppers are on the Dirty Dozen EWG list, I believe. And so I always use organic, and the mini ones just keep much longer, especially once you cut into it. You can pretty much use the whole pepper for most things. There's assorted sizes. Lemon juice. Did I say it was 1 ounce of bell pepper? And then we're adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And I love this tool. It hardly takes any space up in a drawer. It's hardwood, no plastic, no glass to break or chip. It will be handed down to my children anyway. You just use it to extract the juice out of the lemon. Now, if you dig around too deep, you're going to get the bitterness of the pith, which is basically the lining of the lemon or any citrus fruit. And I'm not a fan of bitter. I'm straining it because lemons have seeds and pulp. Then we'll measure it and see if I need to do the other half. Now, one, we'll count that as 2. And perfect, 3. If you don't like tangy, you might want to add a little bit less. Lemon juice, kind of do it to taste, so blend it up. And then taste it and see if you want more. Garlic is, again, a personal preference. I love garlic, but the flavor tends to blossom as it chills, as it refrigerates. So I'm going to start with one and taste it. I'm pulling out where it's sprouted a little bit. Salt, again, personal preference, but I have found that this is perfect for me. Half a teaspoon. And I sprinkle it around just to save it from having to really mix up. Tahini is a quarter cup. Tahini is a critical ingredient. I'm going to use a spatula. This is set for a while, so the oil has separated a bit. Can you see in there? See, I'll pour it out on the spatula. Can you see that? But I think we're going to use most of what's in this jar. So I won't even take the time to actually stir it. Sorry about hitting the camera. This is some close-up work. All right. I'm not going to make you listen to the noise of the food processor, so I'll be back when it's blended. And see, I'm not used to adding oil, so I forgot temporarily. 2 tablespoons. And you want to make sure that you're buying real olive oil. You're going to have to pay a little bit more for it, but California Olive Ranch has been tested. It is real olive oil. You can Google cooking oil or olive oil scams, and educate yourself a little bit. All right, see you in a sec. As far as what to use to eat it with, I like, and again, I only do organic processed food. So a chip, it's going to be organic. In fact, this is made by Frito-Lay, but Trader Joe's has brands that are organic, made with good oils, that kind of thing. So let me taste it. And see. Perfect for me. Yes, I double dipped. It's just me. Okay. This is a really healthy snack. Protein, carbs, good fats. Oops. And really that 1 clove was just the right amount of garlic. Okay. Sorry for having a full mouth, but it is so yummy. So what I want you to do, like, comment, ask questions, and please subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.